Hi guys, I am Beth and welcome to my channel Bourbon Creek Crafts. Today I am sharing what I made for the 10 on the 10th card collab, and this is a collaboration hosted by Kim at Metal Scrap and Chick, and it's just to encourage you and motivate you to work on Christmas cards throughout the year rather than saving them all to the end when things are getting busy with the holidays. So for this month, I am using the vintage Christmas pad by My Mind's Eye. I pulled this out to work on as my pad project for this month. I am kind of doing my own little Christmas in July pad project. And so I've been trying to work through this, and I started it out, well, it had been used before, but for this month I started it out with I made some cards using the July 2021 sheetload of cards from Call Me Crafty Jo. And so for my 10 on the 10th cards, I went back to the August 2019 sheetload of cards. And I have a plan for most of this pad, and it does not involve using like a lot of the glitter papers that were in the pad. There's not a ton, but I knew I probably wouldn't be using the glitter patterns, so I tried to use those on the cards for the 10 on the 10. So I actually have 12 cards, and it's pretty much 2 sets of the sheet load. And just pulled in this red tone-on-tone kind of glittered dots, and then this chevron, red, green, chevron. And then I used kind of a vintage stamp set from Echo Park, I think, for the Christmas greetings. And so just kind of very simple. I used a kind of cream colored cardstock from my card base, and then I do have a scrap of this on the inside of each card. So my cards are all the same this month, which is different for me, but this pretty much used, I had a few scraps left, and those I can probably incorporate into, I'm planning on making a like vintage Christmas journal with the most of this pad. And so I can incorporate some of the scraps into my journal, but I knew I wouldn't be using any of the full sheets just because the glittered spots don't fold well. Like they tend to crack more than I wanted to deal with. So anyway, that is my card share for this month's 10 on the 10th. And there is a list of collaborators down in the description box below who are also working on their Christmas cards throughout the year. So please stop in to see them and see what they made this month for their Christmas cards. But I thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you all have a very crafty day.